In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to link FTMO with MetaTrader 5. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, go and download MetaTrader 5. Okay? After that, go to the top left and click on File here at the top left. Then click on Open an account. Here on Find Your Company, you have to type FTMO like this and click on Find Your Company. You have to choose FTMO Global Market, this one, LTD. So click on it one time and click on Next. Now you have to choose Connect with an existing trade account because you have already an account on FTMO. Okay. Now let's go back to FTMO and open your FTMO account. Go to Account Overview and you will see your account here. For me, I have a free trial. So click on Start Free Trial. And you will see here credentials, this one. Okay, make sure you click on this one. So click on it and you will see here your informations. So we have here login, click on copy, go back to MetaTrader 5 and paste it here. We have here the password. Let's go back to FTMO. This is our password. Click on copy, go back and let's paste it here. So we have here the server. Let's see what server we have. Server FTMO demo 2. Okay, now click on server here and this one, FTMO demo 2. Now click on finish. And now, as you can see, if we go to trade, you will see here balance 100K. Okay, this is my FTMO account. If we go back, as you can see, 100K. Okay, this is our account 7106. If we go to accounts here, click on it, you will see FTMO demo 2. Make sure you click on it like this, and you will see here 7106 100K. 7106. Let's go back, and you will see 7106. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.